So by mistake I stopped the videos in the first part while I was talking. I didn't realize it that was a pause button there, and so I closed that video, and now I'm creating a new video. So I think we left off right here, that where I said I'll show you about what I typed, that price will make a new low. Okay, hold on. So in the previous video I paused it or closed it. So now I'm making a new video. I'm showing you here what I typed around 2 o'clock, right here, so you already know now why this short makes sense, right? And in Discord I typed it here. You can see these things. There was a question I asked, and then I said based on the AM down move, if the sellers were legit, it would close lower and make a new low below this low, right? So that was the whole idea you are playing, by taking this short, right? And then you have to withstand these things or manage it accordingly. Okay, now there was another thing I typed it. Let me see, which I forgot what was these things, but anyway, so let me explain you this, right? So I took a short here and here. This one did not work out. I took a short here. This one was working out, but this second time, look at this here. First time price bounced it, second time price bounced it, third time it also bounced it, right? So I built out here. Okay, I closed my trade here, right here, and then I was watching, and then finally price went through it. So this is the time, it sealed the deal that now it will make a new low, right? But shorting here doesn't make sense, because now you are entering at the tail end, right? So you have to wait for a pullback, right? At the same time, there was another reason not to engage it. Why? Because it was like, look at this, 3:05 p.m. Look at NQ, 3:05 p.m. right here. It was still holding above this 510, 509 level, and so that's why it's risky. So wait to see what NQ does, right? And what ES does. Then you see this pullback, right? And this was ideal location. Now why, right? So what I was watching here is, it was a middle of this balance, first of all. Okay, second thing is, I can see this 66 being in play. See, this line was not here. I drew it in real time, so you can see it here. Bounce, price went through it, held it, again down, then again went there, again down, then sliced through it, right? Here it stopped me out, so I know now this location is important. Then it went up here, tried to hold it, again went down, again held it, again went down. Here it goes through it, but again went through it, again held it, again went down, right? But all this exercise, it was holding this level, and it was rotating around this, right? Finally it broke down this level after 1, 2, 3, 4 style, right? Now I know this level is important, right? So when price went straight up there, right, I was watching NQ also. So NQ went from here to straight up here, right? And then I was watching this level and this level to see what NQ does, right? So since it bounced from it, right, it should go here. Then it did not. It got rejection from here this time, right? Then price went down, went up. That's where I took a short, confirmation based short in NQ, because NQ was holding higher. ES was making new lows, and NQ was pretty much holding higher. So now there is another story going on. Here you can see that. See this 152, which is this timestamp, 2 o'clock or so, right? This is 2:35. This is 3:15. Lower high. See, higher lows or lower highs, right? 1, 2, 3. Correct? Now look at this in NQ at the same time. 1, 2, same highs, right? But ES is a lower highs, correct? Third time ES has another lower highs. NQ is now in sync, because now it is not making equal highs like this. See that? Now it's the time to push the button. So little observation is required here, and that's it. That was the short. And take a profit here. Why? It was CPI low, and because it was profit in ES, I had to take a profit in NQ, right? However, my target was 443. And yes, target was CPI low, first target. Second target was 43, but I choose to bail out everything here because Dow Jones was coming into support, very good support, you know. So overnight, yes, right of the open at 6 o'clock, price may go here or 37, possibility is there, or it may go right here, either or. NQ, right of the 6 o'clock open, it goes here or 43, you know, possibility is there. So these were the trades. The great trade was super important, very nice trade was this and this. That's it, you know, and that be all for today.